Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You have the tools ready, so start by powering off and unplugging the crusher. First, use a flat spudger at the seam to lift the pad's lip. Do this gradually to avoid tearing the foam. Once you have a gap, work your fingers around the circumference to peel the pad off the retaining lip or ring. You're removing adhesive and the old cushion, not the speaker. Take care around the driver and any visible wiring to prevent damage as you expose the mounting flange. Once the old cushion is off, position the replacement so the cup's vents and driver align with the pad's cutout. Orientation matters for comfort and bass response. Start by tucking a small section of the pad lip into the groove, then move around in thirds so the material stretches evenly and snaps into place. If your model uses a plastic ring or clips, fit them last to lock the pad. Make sure you don't pinch or rotate the driver while seating the edge. You're at the finish. Press the pad all the way into the groove, running your fingers around the rim to ensure a uniform seal that preserves bass and isolation. Once done, reconnect and play test tones or music to check comfort, clarity, and low-frequency response. If you hear air leaks, muffling, or rattles, make sure the lip is fully seated and the retaining ring is engaged. If problems persist, remove and reseat the pad to inspect for torn foam or misalignment that interrupts the seal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.